What's up, guys? It's Sharnice here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to give you a tour of my beautiful desk that I have. So this is what had happened. So last year around this time, I was accepted into St. George's University, and I was actually gearing up to start in April. So they opened up a new April class, and I was going to be part of the inaugural April class. So from February to March, as you guys saw in my other video, I did the MSAP program. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here right now. And it was gonna be a really quick turnaround time. I was gonna finish the MSAP program. I was going to pass because in my head, I knew I was going to pass. And then I was going to go to the island of Grenada to start my studies. But COVID-19 had different plans. So I said, you know what, it's fine. By the time August rolls around, because that's what they did, they pushed us back to August. I was like, by the time August rolls around, this thing will be gone and we'll be ready to go to Grenada. And in fact, it was not gone. So we got the news that said, you know, as much as we want to hold classes in Grenada, we cannot, and we will have to be learning remotely. So I was really bummed about it because I was really looking forward to the experience of being on a tropical island and learning on a tropical island and not having to deal with seasonal depression that is coming in New York City. But I had to find a solution like everyone else did. So I started buying all these things for my desk, and I found it very easy to do virtual learning with all these things that I have. And I hope that this can help you guys who are at home wondering how things can be easier for you while you are learning virtually. Some of the things that I am going to show you guys today have made things much easier for me, not even in terms of like making studying easier, but like just making things more comfortable, being comfortable in your home while you're studying. You know, it is it's very different, but the advantage that we get while we're home studying is that we get to adjust to our own comfort level, and I'm here to share that with you guys today. As you know, I'm really busy, but I do want to share like a day in the life with you as a virtual medical school student. So if you would like to see that video, just comment below and let me know. I really want to do it. I'll just be so busy. All right, so let's get into my desk. Oh, guys, most of these things I got from Amazon. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna make one of those Amazon store things. I feel like that's a thing. I'm gonna try. Hopefully by the time this video is up on YouTube, I have an Amazon store. All right, guys, so this is my desk. I got this desk from Amazon. It is an L-shaped marble desk. I will put this desk information in the description box, and it was really easy to put together. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is my chair. This is the Clatina ergonomic mesh executive chair, and I also got this chair from Amazon. This chair really does the job. I won't say it's super comfy, but I did buy a cushion that has not come in yet, so I hope that that will help with my comfort. So I'm just showing you a close-up of my desk. You see I have my planner, my noise canceling earphones, my laptop and laptop stand, my Bluetooth mouse and Bluetooth keyboard, my iPad and iPad stand, and I also have my book stand. I love this book stand. It works really well at holding my textbooks, even as big as they are. So I will show you a close-up of that. So this is the bamboo book stand. It is adjustable. As you can see, it has like those different ridges, and it has the page holders in the front. All right, next up, I am showing you a close-up of my laptop. I use the Dell Inspiron 13 7000 2-in-1. This laptop is, I think it's about 2 years old, but it works really well still. And I have it on a laptop stand. I also got this from Amazon. It is the Sounddance laptop stand aluminum, and I can fit things under there. Like if I need to store my my Bluetooth keyboard there. And this is my Bluetooth mouse that I again got from Amazon. It came with the keyboard. It is by Automaton, and I love this because I can like link it up to my iPad or my laptop. I usually use it for my iPad because I have a USB mouse for my laptop. This is my planner. I forgot who this planner is by, but I'll link it below for you guys. I just can't remember off the top of my head, but it keeps me so organized and it's so pretty. And this is what I use. I have this, and I also have like a whiteboard calendar that helps me stay pretty organized and on task. So that's my planner. This is my coaster from my friends Ellie and Britt's wedding. And now I'm showing you guys my Cowan E7 active noise canceling headphones. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't used it much and I'm still like learning how to use them, but they're supposed to work really well. I got these off of Amazon as well, and they have pretty good reviews, so I need to just figure out how I'm gonna use them. Yeah. This monitor really helps me out. Being in school all day and looking down at the laptop can cause a lot of tension on your neck, and I am trying my best to alleviate some of that tension. So this monitor really helps with that. And I use this monitor mostly to watch like lecture videos or videos that accompany our directed learning activities, which I'm looking at now, and really anything else. Sometimes I just really need a break from looking down at my iPad and my laptop, so this helps me with that. And if I want to take a step away from my desk and kind of like lay down on my little like couch area or even sit on the floor, it helps break up the monotony of sitting at my desk all day. All right, this is my beloved Bluetooth keyboard. I love using this. It's so easy. All I had to do was put some batteries in there. I think they were either AA or AAA. And you just turn it on and connect to your device. It's from the Automaton company. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But yeah, guys, it was much cheaper than a Magic Keyboard and it works pretty well. So I really love using that. It's really thin and sleek and can fit really well under the iPad stand for storage purposes. So I really like it, guys. Oh, and this iPad case that I have is from Cosmo. It matches my phone case, so that's also pretty dope. It's like magnetic, so it can also hold up the iPad if you don't feel like having it on the iPad stand for any reason. This iPad stand is great. I also got this from Amazon. It is the tablet stand adjustable by Lamical. So if you guys are interested in an iPad stand, I would really suggest this one. So here I'm showing you my iPad and my iPad pen. It says Dream Hard. I got that as a gift. Thank you. And yeah, so this is how I take my notes in Notability. Girl, Notability is like the best app ever. I can highlight on it. I can write directly on my notes. I can make my own notes. I like to bookmark things for later if there's any slides that I feel like I may definitely need to come back to. And yeah, Notability is the best. I can't believe that I just found out about Notability. So yeah, guys, this is how I, write up my notes, annotate them, create my own. And this has been, I've only been in medical school like for a month, but this has really helped me stay organized. And my favorite feature from Notability is like being able to search your notes, so it doesn't take me long to figure out where things are. And this is just how I use my mouse and my keyboard to navigate either my notes or anything really that's on my iPad. And as you can see, the Automaton mouse, it kind of just looks like a little dot. It was so there's no like pointer if you hook it up to your iPad, but yeah, you can scroll, you can really do anything. It's a pretty cool mouse. And then you can use the keyboard feature to type. You can type directly into your Notability. You can type to like search on on Google. So yeah, it comes in really good handy. So yeah, guys, that's really about it. Again, please let me know if you would like to see a day in the life of a virtual med student. I would really love to do that for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you for joining me on my desk tour. Bye.